Thank you very much for visiting Silex's website. Silex supports you when it absolutely must connect. Silex introduces Fbr-100An protocol converter for CNC machines. Fbr-100An collects operation data from CNC machines and reformats them to MT-Connect format. The MT-Connect data is securely transferred to a factory computer or smart factory cloud servers through wired or wireless networks. You can connect legacy CNC machines without networking capability to a smart factory network. Wired networking CNC machines can also be connected to a wireless network. Fbr-100An provides multiple interfaces to collect data from CNC machines. You can choose from Ethernet, a serial interface, 3 digital inputs, and Zigbee wireless connection through a PAT-Lite air grid connection, connected to Fbr-100An's Ethernet port. Fbr-100An is compatible with Fanuc and Mitsubishi Electric's CNC devices. It also supports PAT-Lite air grid to collect data from its signal tower. By activating a license key, vendor-specific information can be obtained from Brother and Muratech's machines. Fbr-100An is regulatory compliant in North America, Europe, and Japan. Thank you very much for your interest in Fbr-100An. Please watch a technical part for more details.